For our simple flower, we'll be using two 260s. I've chosen a yellow for the flower. I've inflated it almost all the way to the end, leaving just a tiny bit of nipple on the end. And for our green, which will be the stem, I've left about 1.5 inches on the end. We'll start with our yellow. What you want to do is just make a big circle. Bring the nipple around to the nozzle end. Tie them together, making a loop. Now you're going to take your loop, pull it through your fingers so you find the midway point, twist that to form two giant pieces, two long ones. Then you're going to take that and fold it in half again to find the midway point here. Once you found the midway point, you'll want to twist it at that midway point, forming what will look like two large rabbit ears. Bring those together so that you got your point here where everything is twisted, and you've got your two other twisted points. Now you're going to want to take these points here that are twisted together and then the other points that are twisted and bring them all the way together in the middle, just like that, and then grab one section and spin them around completely. So there's your basic flower. Now we're going to go to our stem, our green, come to the knot end, and we're going to make a little tulip or an apple twist. Take your finger, put it on the knot, push it into about the second knuckle. You can almost see it through this one. And then reaching from the outside, reach through until you can feel the knot, grabbing the knot, and then pull your finger out, making sure that you hang on to the knot. The knot is now in between my fingers there. And then grab this end part and twist a bubble on it, making sure that the knot is on this other side so that you've now trapped the knot in there. Now holding that, take your flower, and that twist point you'll want to push up into here all the way to the middle to secure it. And if you want, you can take your stem or leftover and wrap it around completely to secure it in place. And then take your petals, position them however that you like so that you've got a flower. And now to make your leaves on your stem, we'll do our S twist. So move down from the flower just a little bit, make an S. There we go, make an S. Now you can see that it's an S. Fold it over, and then on this little short stretch here, you'll want to find the middle, pinch it all together, and then twist it around. And then you can shape it however you like, and there's your basic flower.